اتحاد وإماراتنا، عشت لشعب دينه الإسلام، هديه القرآن، حصلتك بسم الله يا وطن.
نتجت لنا صحراءنا الذهبية هدية، هي رمز للاتحاد والثبات، صلة وصل بين الماضي والحاضر، رمز يليق بروح إكسبو 2020 وقيمه، روح التواصل وصنع المستقبل. إكسبو 2020 دبي.
ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
أعزائي المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي أن نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. ولهذا الأسبوع قصة نجاح أتتنا من الهند في عام 1999، السيد محمد نياز والسيد وسيم أحمد شيخ. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
At the first we will start with Mr. Wasim. Can we know who is Wasim, what is education before when he came to UAE and when he started his own business?
My name is Wasim, and I came in Dubai in 2004, and since the first day I joined a real estate company, and I was working there as a secretarial job. Then later moved into the sales. Then this is how my real estate career started, and worked very hard during those times, and worked in that company almost about 8 to 9 years. And once I joined that company, just right after 1 month, Mohammed joined the same company. So we are like brothers from the another mother. So I am with Mohammed from last 17 years now, and that company due to in 2007-2008 that company got shut down because of some reason. So we planned to open a company. So that's how we end up buying this Viera property.
Great.
So now mashallah Viera property, it's completed already 20 years.
MashaAllah.
Okay, and in this company we are doing buying, selling, leasing and property management company.
Great. Can we know also more about Muhammad?
Hi, my name is Mohammed Niyaz, my full name. Already my brother is explained to everything the same. So we start the career together. But my background, I am coming from the finance. So the same company what he worked, I am also the finance for there. So I am managing for everything. And then throughout this we pass every year. Then we property management, we do all the things, rental, leasing, and we do everything the same what he explained.
Great. We start our company with experience, and we must have a strategy to choose our team who will work with us. Can we know how you choose the team who work with Viera?
In past so many years we hired many staff and fired also. So we usually don't see what experienced they have. I really don't believe in that. If someone have a real estate background, only I need to hire those person. We give chance to the freshers also. To freshers we give the training. We give training how to list the property and how to market the property. That everything marketing department I handle myself in this company. I have a team of my social media also. I have a team of our own in-house team to make the website and this handling SEO, SMO. So I'm managing that part. So as a team selection, it's yes, it is not one thing. It is not that we need only real estate background people. We just see the person capability. If someone is in the banker and he has done a good sales in the banker, we give opportunity to those people also.
Basically, we will see for the basic category for them. Something we have something should be degree holder, something how they are speaking for the language, how many languages they know for this. This is our basic category, and we will not believe for what their background, what they done over there. We will teach them how to start the way of the working here in our company. Basically, for other company totally different. From our company, we will go as per the rule and regulation. For Dubai, what they say in the books, we will forward the same thing. From A to Z, they need to follow from our followers.
Sometimes also we need to be we need our relation to be very strong with our team who work with us. Can we know what the relation in Vera with the team who work with you?
We have very friendly atmosphere in our company. Our doors are always open, so our staff, they can come to our house, they can come to the cabin anytime. So we work in very friendly atmosphere. We have a staff whose age is 60 plus also. Okay, so but we deal with them as a friend. Okay, and if sometimes they face any personal issues, we are there to help them out. So basically, it's completely a friendly atmosphere.
You build a strong name on Dubai market. Can we know what the unique things we find in Vera?
See, Vera, the first thing what is good in this company is it's established since 1999. It's 20 years old company. And the good thing I would say, we are very transparent, and we do mainly our part is the property management. Okay, we manage the property for all the overseas client who bought the properties back in 2000s.
Great.
Okay, so we are managing the property for the investors who are with us from last 15 years, 16 years, 17 years. There are many investors, our investor, who not even seen our face also, and they are trusting us because of our service, who are still in abroad. Okay, they don't know us by face. If we stand in front of him, he cannot recognize either me, I am Wasim, or he is Muhammad. So it's just a trust. And there are many people also who have not visited the property, and we bought the property on their behalf.
Wow.
So this is a trust what we have with our clients. So our main business is property management company, which we manage the property for overseas client. And to give them a best service, we have opened a technical service company 5 years back.
Great.
The reason of opening the company, to be a transparent with the client and to give them a best service for their hard-earned money invested house, to give them a best service and the best quality. Because usually in property management, what happens, if someone if any maintenance issue is there, then we need to call 5-6 maintenance company, and you don't know what the company is, what quality they will use, and what bill they will
Right.
gonna give us. So just to be like in a transparent shape, we open our own company. And yes, of course, our investor, they have a choice, like if they don't want to go with the company, that's okay, that's fine, that is his wish. But end of the day, definitely they recommend our company to do it all the major job from A to Z.
As Mr. Wasim, he mentioned we build the trust, but can we know how you build the trust also, because it's not easy to build here in Dubai?
Basically, I can tell him, honest means basically the money matter. Whatever the income is coming, we have to declare to the owners how much we are getting the rental income. Basically, we are on behalf, we are acting, we are not the owner. Basically,
Right.
This is a supervision management company. So then check everything under owner's name. There is more transparency and follow the rental payment, negotiate with the tenant. What are the conversation with the tenant? Then we forward to the owner. Then we can give you the full story of the what's going for the next step. So we have transparency is there, email conversation. We have link of the what's the old tenant he done it, what is the new tenant. There is a full transparency is there. So they trust us. So some of the owner, we are deciding the rental amount to renew the contract also.
Wow.
So they don't argue us whatever you people decide. Basically, me and my brother, what we decide the rental renewal everything, then we are go ahead with them. So this is, so they see it's not 1 year, 2 year, it's 17 year we have journey. So
MashaAllah.
they know for this what we are giving the service, they know trust, so we are go ahead.
Alhamdulillah. Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid, he mentioned in my vision book, we have always to be number one. We have always to be in the top. Today, if we talk about Vera, one of the top company, but can we know how you leave the name always on the top and not go any step back?
See, as you said, number one, okay, we always say that we are number one in Dubai Silicon Oasis
Alhamdulillah.
as a real estate. Dubai Silicon Authority, it's a government. This entire project, Silicon Oasis, is a government project. And Alhamdulillah, we have received the award from Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority as a best broker in Cedar Villa.
MashaAllah.
Me and my brother, we are specialized. Every agent, real estate agent, have a specialized area.
Area.
So our specialized area is Cedar Villa, which is inside Silicon Oasis. All the villas what you see in Silicon Oasis, we are specialized in that. So he handles the rental of Cedar Villa, I handle the sales of Cedar Villa. So as a number one, as anything like we are number one in Dubai Silicon Oasis. My agent, they handles the Silicon Oasis apartment.
Great. Can we know how we are sure behind your service you need to get the good rate for the people or the price from your customer for your company? Can we know how you make a compare between your high quality of service and a good price for your customer to be always with you?
Yes, basically I will tell him. There is a comparison is that we will not charge higher in the market, we will not down the market as well. We will go for as average price. Basically the investor should be get the good profit also. Okay, so we will make average everywhere. It's not like too high, but our standard will not come down as per the market situation, you know very well.
Yeah.
But we will not come down our standard policy, everything will be same, but the price we are focusing in average level as well.
To support the people.
Support to the people to pass on this year.
Great. Can we know how you market Vera, because now most of the people they are focusing on digital marketing. How you market your company?
See, we usually do the, as you said, digital market. We mostly do digital marketing only.
Great.
There are in UAE there are some corporate portals, so we have a good amount of package with them. So we do that marketing. Plus, the good thing is that we have most of the clients are from references. The most of the leads what we get is from the reference. Like if you close one deal and you give them a good service, okay, from throughout the period till end of means after getting the handover also, our policy is that to get connected with the client every time like a family.
Right.
So sometimes if they in their relation, if someone is looking for the property, they give reference our name. So digital marketing, yes, it's there. It's era of digital now. Everything is digital. So we are spending on digital marketing also. Plus we have a long, experience and clients are there. So getting the client is alhamdulillah. It's not a.
Alhamdulillah. To give a good quality of service, we have always to training our team or employees who work with you. Can we know how you training them always?
We have training usually not every week. Okay, we have meetings every week. Okay,
MashaAllah, good.
and meetings in general, it's not about what you have done in the entire week. It's about what best we can do for the next week.
So,
Our main agenda of the team meeting is that.
right.
Plus, as far as the training is concerned, we do only the training when some person get appointed. So we show them how to use the CRM and what are the basics of real estate, and we give them some materials, book materials to go through it. And there are some CRM trainings also happen, which we do every once in a month. Like CRM people, they usually come in the office and they give the training to the entire people.
Great. As a person who has experience, Mr. Muhammad Niaz, I'm sure you have advice for the people who want to come to UAE to invest. What you will advise them today from your experience?
Sir, basically now the market is everyone can invest the market because of
Right.
now the property values come down. So it's not like before the investor only they invest the property. Nowadays the end user and who's staying in Dubai very long time, they also thinking to invest.
Right.
So it's not like for the only investor only then invest the property. Nowadays the middle class people also thinking to buy the property. Why? The rental income what they're getting, what they're paying for the rental, it will be coming for equal as per the bank. The interest rate also very less nowadays.
Right.
So this is the chance to invest the property nowadays. Okay, where middle class people as well and the investor as well. So overall the market Dubai is very good, the property. So getting the rental income still is good.
Alhamdulillah. And from you, Mr. Wasim, what advice you are giving?
See, advice for the newcomers in Dubai who wants to buy a property or rent a property. I think in Dubai the rules of buying a property is very transparent.
Right.
Okay, if someone do a Google search, okay, they can come to know easily what kind of charges and what are the rules, regulation, everything is very clean in UAE, alhamdulillah. So buying a property, I would advise any person to stick with not more than 2 or 3 broker, not 2 or 3 agencies. Okay, he can speak. You just register with one broker as an exclusive buyer. So that individual broker, whoever is working on that gentleman, he will give his best, okay, to give that property, because he knows that he will buy a property from me only.
Right.
So that's the very important, because usually sometimes happen like one buyer and he contact like 100 people, and 100 people will give him 100 different information, and end of the day he will get confused and he will not gonna buy anything. So better is to stick with very few people, okay, and strong, yani good. Like for example, if someone need a property in Silicon Oasis, example, there are many areas, so stick with the specialized who is specialized in that community.
Right.
For example, someone need apartment in Burj Khalifa, so they should not contact us, they should contact the person who is specialized in Burj Khalifa.
Yes.
So basically that agent, he knows the community, he knows the owner, he knows what apartment facing what, everything that company knows. So this is very most important advice.
As a person, also Mr. Muhammad, you come here to work as an employee, and now mashallah you are a businessman. I'm sure you have also advice for who want to come to UAE to work here. What you will advise them?
Basically, when we start the career, we work very hard. Basically, it's not like that to come to the one day to there. This basically keep the honesty and work hard. Then of course God will give, Allah will give the benefit for this. So this is our experience. Should we go straight, then you will get the honesty and hard work.
Behind your successful, there is someone who support you from your family or friends. Can we know who support you always?
It's always a parent's dua. Always my father and my mother's dua. Whatever we are here today, it's all because of their dua.
What you want to say for them?
May Allah bless them with Jannah.
Inshallah. And you, behind your success also, maybe your family, maybe your friends.
And I will say to, of course, my brother will say, mom and dad, and my brother always support to me. And basically, basically we come together, so we don't think that each of them going for this. So this is the main for this.
Our leaders, they built for us smart government which support us with our business. Can we have a message for the smart government of UAE?
That is a very good thing because of more transparency for everyone. Basically, nowadays they are transferring the property as well for compared to other country. So we are from the other country as well. For Dubai, very easy to buy the property, to transfer the property, and the pandemic period also they make very good thing. They do online transfer the property. I heard about, I think only in Dubai only. I don't think so any other country that did it. Okay, but they're taking the action. What current situation, what they want the people, they connect with the people. It's not like the government most of the time not connect with the people, but Dubai, they connect with the people, what they want, what is the current situation, what is happening, what is we have to go next level, they're doing.
UAE, one of the best country in the world from the safety and security. We can leave our car or our office open and we know it will be very safe. If you have a message for the leaders of UAE today, what you will say for what they are built also?
Really goosebumps are coming now. Okay, whatever they have done to UAE, that's very nice, and they have even taken care of. It's not about nationality here. It's not about nationality. Okay, so they have taken care of each and every person, each nationality, no discrimination. They have good laws. They have law for a small girl, for like alone woman, for a labor category, for each and every person. We really thanks to UAE for what they have done, and we ourselves feel very lucky that we are a part of UAE.
We thank them and we thank you, Wasim Ahmed Sheikh
Thank you so
and
much.
Muhammad Niyaz, for your time to do the Emirati program, and we wish for Vera all the best and to be one of international company start from Dubai. Thank you
Thank
for
you
your
very
time.
much. Thank you
See
for
inshallah.
Thank you.
العروبة كلنا نفديكي بالدماء نرويكي نفديك بالأرواح يا